Hey everyone, and welcome back to Rindonetravel. I'm Ray. Today, I'm going to give you a 2-card powerhouse for maximizing your credit card spend. Let's get into it. So the first card is going to be the American Express Gold, and the second card is going to be the Capital One Venture X. Now, I picked these 2 cards for a reason. Let's start with the American Express Gold card. Now, that card comes with a $250 a year annual fee, but for $250, you get a heck of a lot of value out of it. So right now, the Amex Gold is offering a great sign-up bonus, and some people have been targeted for a 90,000 point offer, and some 75,000, so it kind of just depends on what you're targeted for. And that would be after 6,000 spend in 6 months, you would either get the 75,000 membership rewards or the 90,000 membership rewards. To start, you get 4 times points at all restaurant, takeout, and deliveries. Now, you also get 4 times points on supermarket purchases up to 25,000 a year. So if you max that out, that's 100,000 points a year. And lastly is 3 times points booked on all airlines directly through amextravel.com. A few other things that are benefits of this card for paying the fee are going to be a $120 dining credit, which is $10 a month in statement credits, and another one is $120 in Uber Cash, which is $10 a month in statement credits if you use Uber. Now, with these benefits, the Amex Gold offers way more value than that $250, and we're just getting started. So now, let's talk about the Capital One Venture X. Now, this card has a $395 a year fee, which is actually not bad for a premium rewards travel card. And this card has 2 times points earnings on all purchases. So there's no categories, 2 times on all purchases. Now, Capital One also has a great sign-up bonus going on right now, and that's 75,000 miles after 4,000 spend in 3 months of opening the card. They also, every year after your first year anniversary, they give you 10,000 bonus miles just for keeping the card, and that 10,000 bonus miles is a $100 value right off the bat. Another thing they give you is a $300 travel credit. So say you go on a weekend getaway and get a hotel for $399. That hotel's now only going to cost you $99 for that entire trip. If you charge the hotel right to the card, it'll just take it off as a statement credit. So right there with that $100 10,000 points and that $300 travel credit, you just made $5 on that card for doing absolutely nothing. So something that the Capital One Venture X also does is they will pay for your TSA pre or clear check every 5 years. Now that we've covered both cards, let's see how this dynamic duo will perform in the real world. So I made a points earning example, and what I mean by that is I want to demonstrate the power of these 2 cards together and how using them strategically can really boost your points earning. So over the course of a year, I broke down the average spend of a couple in a household, and I used these 2 cards and put the spend only on these 2 cards. So with that, it's $7,000 on miscellaneous expenses. I put that on the Capital One Venture X at 2 times points. So I put $3,000 on flights on the American Express Gold, booking directly through the airline. And I put $3,000 on hotels through the Capital One Venture X. I put $9,000 on groceries on the American Express Gold. And then I put $4,000 of dining out each year on the American Express Gold. So the results after 1 year. Now, the total points earned, excluding the sign-up bonus for all those cards, is 81,000 points. Now, the total points, including the sign-up bonus after that 1 year, is 246,000 points. Now, the total spending in 12 months was $26,000, and the total annual fees paid was $645. So if you want to combine the benefits with the total value of all the points earned, the $120 dining credit on the American Express Gold, the $120 Uber Cash on the American Express Gold, the $100 global entry or TSA pre-check credit on the Capital One Venture X, the $300 travel credit on the Capital One Venture X, and last but not least, the 10,000 point bonus for Capital One Venture X for having the card after a year. So the total estimated value of those benefits is about $640. And if you're redeeming these points for 1 cent per point at the least, that is going to be a value of $3,100. So I actually took this example to the next level, and I did it for 2 more years to see if this couple wanted to save up and do a really nice trip at the end of the 3 years. So let's see where that got them. So for this example, I had them spend the same $26,000 in all 3 years. So after those 3 years, they paid a total of $1,935 in credit card fees. They received $1,920 in credit card benefits. So the couple now has 402,000 credit card miles after 3 years to travel with. Now, keep in mind, that's just using them at 1 cent a piece. Most of the time, if you're savvy with this type of thing, or you know someone that can help you, these points can easily be redeemed for between 3 and 10 cents, making these credit card points worth a heck of a lot more than that almost $2,000 in credit card fees. Now, here at Rindone Travel, we are experts in the points and miles game. So if you have points laying around that you're not sure what to do with, reach out to us and we'll help you plan the best itinerary, maximizing those points and ensuring you're getting the most value out of them. If you're ready to start playing the points and miles game, make sure you start with these 2 cards as they're going to get you significant value. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks for watching.